everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself today. I am pretty excited for a couple different reasons. The very first one being that on this channel we might have hit 100,000 subscribers, which is mind-blowing, incredible, never thought it would happen. And I will talk a little bit more about that and the video that I want to do for you guys at the end of this video. But the next reason that I am excited is today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, big old shocker right there, of the add-ons for the fall FabFitFun box in partnership with FabFitFun. And that is actually another reason to be excited right there. I'm very thankful to be partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and I also cannot wait to unbox this box right here and show you guys what's inside. For those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, so it doesn't come every month. It comes every lovely season, summer, spring, winter, fall, all those good times. It is $49.99 every season, but you do get like $200 worth of stuff inside of your box, and inside it will include full-size health, beauty, wellness, and like fashion things. And if you are brand new to the subscription and you would like to save $10 on your first box, you can use the little code that I'll put right here on the screen, or maybe right here, I'm not really sure, and down below in the description. But today what we are unboxing together is not the actual FabFitFun fall box. This is actually a box of add-ons that you can decide to add on to your box. So when you become a member of FabFitFun, you have exclusive access to these add-ons, which are on like major sale. They have a flash sale. You can add these things to your box and they will ship with your seasonal subscription. Now, y'all know I love a good sale, any type of discounted item, and these things go on major sale, but they do sell out very quickly, so you kind of want to like get on there and make sure you're getting what you want. And they have a whole like list of everything that you can choose from, but inside here we're going to take like a little preview of some of the items that you can choose from. Ooh, okay, so everything came in this black bag here, very mysterious. So I'm just gonna go ahead, reach on in, pull something out, and we'll discover it together. Alright, so the very first thing I'm feeling here is actually like a little set of something, and this is a shampoo and conditioner set from Ovation, and this is supposed to be a color therapy, fade fighting, shine boosting, sulfate free shampoo and conditioner. So this is really nice. My hair is still like partially colored. The top is the regular old natural dirty brown color, and the bottom still has some of the red like clinging to life in it. I have dyed my hair a million different colors, and for some reason the red is just really hard to like stay in your hair. So if I ever do decide to like go back to Ariel red, maybe something like this will help out since it is like color treated safe. Oh boy, there's a lot of things in here. So let's go ahead and move on to the next little item here. Okay, so next up here we have something from Daily Concepts. This is the Your Cognac sponge made from 100% natural preservative-free konjac root. I'm pretty sure I'm 100% saying that wrong, but this is a little sponge here that it's supposed to be biodegradable, vegan, and never tested on animals. So all that is very nice. So it is just kind of wrapped up in plastic here. It's very lightweight. I want to like crush into it so bad, but this isn't like an ASMR channel or anything, so I won't do it. But this seems like it would be very nice to have in the shower for a little extra scrubbing. Okie dokie, next up in here we have... This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, next up in here we have a Makeup Drop, the original silicone beauty applicator. There is an adorable little like daisy in the center. I think that's super duper cute. Daisy. And you know what, guys? This almost looks like a real flower. Just like looking at it really close up, it honestly does look like a fresh real flower, like encapsulated in the silicone. I don't know, I think that just makes it like a little extra special to have that cute little flower in there. Let's go ahead though and move on to the next thing that I'm seeing here, which is something I probably really need. This is from Truly Clear, the one-step acne solution. And if you guys can see here, we got some unwanted visitors popping up all over my chin. This smells exactly like gum. Alright, so what we have here is like a bar of soap. You're supposed to clean your face with it, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then wash off with warm water. This is something I think that I would mostly use in the shower because I hate washing my face with like sink water like they do in the commercials. It just freaks me out. I can't do it for some reason. So this is something I think I will keep in the shower and try to clear up some of this business down here with. Okie dokie, moving along. Next up we have something from Terramare, and this is a gold youth wand. It's for anti-aging. Oh, They weren't kidding. I thought it was gonna be like a cream that maybe had some gold flakes in it or something, but it's literally a gold thing. Gold youth wand. This is really, oh, it's cold. I'm probably 100% not using this correctly, but let me look at the instructions really fast. Oh, it vibrates. Oh, okay. It feels really, really good, but it also tickles quite a bit at the same time, and yet I can't stop doing it. When it touches my glasses though, it sounds a little bit frightening. Listen. Sounds like a tiny little jackhammer. Anyway, this is very interesting. I could definitely see myself just like sitting there rubbing this on my face for a very long time. So far, I'm really, really enjoying this. Okie dokie, so moving on to the next thing in here. My face is ever so slightly numb from all the vibration. The next thing we have in here is from Tarte Skincare. This is the Brighter Days Highlighting Moisturizer. So when I squeeze this on the back of my hand, you can kind of see it has this like iridescence to it whenever it shifts in the light. It smells pretty good too, not too overpowering, just kind of like a regular lotion. Alrighty guys, next up in here we have something from LA Tweeze. This looks really cool. Oh, okay, so this is a Pro Illuminating Tweezers with diamond dust tips. That's very fancy. But I feel like they know that I haven't plucked my eyebrows for real in quite some time. They're looking a bit bushy, so this will definitely come in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little test here just to see like what the light looks like. Oh, okay, so it also comes with a little like carrying case. At first I was very confused. I wasn't sure what that was for, but it's a fancy little carrying case for your fancy tweezers. That is super duper fun. So this is what the pair of tweezers look like. I have never seen a prettier pair of tweezers before. And this little diamond right here, not only is it adorable, it actually functions as the button that turns the light on. Oh boy. Oh no, that might have been a mistake. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I really, really, really need to tweeze. I got some Helga Pataki vibes going on right now. Wow. Oh, we could be here all day. All right, we gotta move on to the next product because I could literally do this all day. Okie dokie, next up here we have something from Grown Alchemist, and this is the Age Repair Moisturizer Phytopeptide with white tea extract. Ooh, there is something I really, really like about this packaging. It's like kind of a metally tube and the writing on it and stuff. I don't know, it looks a little bit like medicinal almost, but it's very, very cool, sleek looking packaging. I like it. So this is a moisturizer that is supposed to help fight signs of aging and things like that, reduce wrinkles and all that good stuff. So I'm very, very excited to try this out. Plus it's something I could like set out like where I can see it because I think it's a really cute little bottle. All right, I think we are down to the very last two items in here. I'm gonna pull out this tube next. Ooh, okay, we have something from Trestique, and this is a matte color plus shiny balm lip crown. Oh, okay, so this is like a 2-in-1 little thingy-mabob here, which is really cool. I got mine in the shade Florence Fig, which looks kind of like a beautiful dusty rose color. Alrighty, so here is the little lip pencil here, and it's a bit confusing because it does look like the lid is off and you're about to get this everywhere, but that is just the shape of the packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside here. You just have a little roll-up crayon. And then at the end here you have your little balm, which I don't know why. I thought it was another lid and I tried to grab it and pull it off, but it's actually the balm. Don't do that. So here is the lip color swatched. I think this is a beautiful shade. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now, but maybe just a bit more peachy. And then I tried to swatch the balm over here, but it barely has any color to it, so you can kind of see it right there. So I am very excited to give this a try. There is one last thing left in my little bag of mystery here, and it is from Black. Oh, okay, this is a charcoal powder for teeth whitening. I have seen this stuff like all over the internet, especially last year. This is something I was not really ever sure if I was going to try. Boy, it really is black in there, isn't it? But it does smell just like toothpaste. Like, it's very, very strange because it is like a straight black powder, but the toothpaste smell is quite strong. I will give this a go. I heard you're not supposed to use charcoal powder on your teeth too often because it can be a bit abrasive. So, you know, I would probably ask your dentist or something, especially if you have sensitive teeth, but I definitely do want to give this a try. It looks really, really cool, and if it could whiten my teeth, that would be amazing. Why am I currently swatching toothpaste? I don't know. Oh boy, it's very black. Oh my goodness. It's literally all over me. Alrighty guys, so that was my preview for you guys for some of the fall add-ons that are available for the FabFitFun box. Remember that these are member only add-ons, so you have to be a member of FabFitFun to be able to purchase things from the flash sale. If you are not yet a member, you can always sign up if you would like to and use the code that I will list down here for you guys for $10 off your very first box. But yeah, that was pretty much everything I have for you guys for the video. I did want to ask you really quickly what kind of like special 100k, which I can't like still physically say without freaking out, video would you guys like to see? I've had a couple of suggestions for different things. The first one is a reaction to my very first YouTube video, which would be interesting because I haven't seen it since I posted it. I do not rewatch my YouTube videos. I just don't do it. Once they're out there for the world, I just forget them. Post and forget. And then I also had a couple of suggestions saying that I should do like a compilation, I guess, of me just being a disaster, which would probably be easy to do. But if you guys have any other suggestions, I would love to hear them down below in the comments. I'll probably film that video sometime this weekend and post it. And yeah, that is officially all I have for you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!